Andu aria mari the biggest station aina twanario horo ucio ri. Aria mari na everything at their disposal. We are not the brightest.
No, they were not. They were not.
They were not. The people who had everything at their disposal. When it comes to academics, they usually got the short end of what?
Of the stick.
Yes. Marriages yake.
Yeah, there she.
Onaremari, the best handwriting did not have the HB pencil.
Yes.
Arema na tufejo zuria tu akuanyurana. Iyo twaria wakora kwaguru fejo imwe muri na thuku. Mukerwo o mundu oe portion.
Mukauna na fejo.
Yes.
Adwana.
Yes. You see, majenzi wengine wa siku hizi hawezi understand. Hey, ndiwona amuru ni arandika. No ndona ki arandika nakio.
Ndo fejo kaigana kuota yake ya.
Keru guru waruhi.
Na no mandikaga.
Yes. Na niyo marathana kundu kuriku.
Kundu guku.
Biashara niyo marathie cara jana ku. Maoka indo kuma nginya Singapore. Yes.
Niyo madira muno na KRA kuria poti makire murigo.
Absolutely. Andu matare makona rava. That is a young man.
Kwa jarabu uria wari premium.
Yes.
Wena mwena wa red na blue.
Okay, it was a scam. Ati mwena ugidio futa ink.
Scam.
You know, there's a young man. He's not very young. He's just about my age. He moves a lot of goods. Nyama kema. Naruga pipe 7 demoko iko.
Alex.
Yes. Nia inarafa permanent.
Inarafa permanent?
Yes.
How permanent?
Wale get otari.
Yo no athiraga.
Tari hurokia wera ri. Rwetari ya hurokia wera ya to puru tuwere.
Ya karima ndira. Na haha.
Ya ine getu.
Twara ini.
You are gereire yo. You take more time go futa. Ukia the conventional rubber.
Na wahuthira hinya muingi utarura iratathi.
Yes. Dio. Lewa inara force you. And he is very wealthy today. Yes.
Mundu ari na rafa wa atari.
Tari. Na nderu mundu ina rafa atari ri. No ndu wako igwa toraso no kari. Ndonyita go bafuta go humbirite yo.
Uhithite. Uhithe thina.
Na gacokia ke.
Muhuko.
Okay, rekete humbire tho ni cito. Tothome. Yes. And those people are doing very well. Actually, clipboard yake ri. It was a makeshift.
Clipboard.
Nona clipboard unaweka kigeranio.
Na kuigira maratathi hinde ya kigeranio
Yes. Athondekirwo na plywood ni ithe. Plywood. Na hanga ithe arutite Nairobi.
Kate hanga.
Yes. Yes. Na eka mathabu ndahetokire muno. No ni acokire akigia miara man.
Ni acokire naguo thutha ucio ciringie kimuigua.
Yes. Kwetu mathoma na thina mukiririru
muno.
Mu matafiu. There are even people who will tell you ni makona mafuku oko subject taro ithio tweka inyanya. Wako subject ni inyanya. They had 3 books or 4. So they would choose which direction takes which subject.
Ukamenya githungu gwambia na mbere.
Yes.
Githwairi nyambia na thutha. O haria cigacemaniria.
Haria cigacemaniria ri. Musamiati upatane. Yes.
Mathabu nyanjie mbere. Science nyanjie thutha.
Wakanagio guo. Ni wathiaga ine what do you call the faculty. Ukamenya githungu na githwairi ni languages ni itwaranaga. Yes. Mathabu na science cieke atia.
Itwarane.
Yes.
Ciandamane.
Ati and craft wotoitharia na ngirigaca. Yes.
Bas.
Music wotoitharia na ciara.
Na ciara hii.
Yes.
Rwimbo na iguru ni ciguanaga.
Yes. Wewe umemaliza rĩu thĩna wokaga rĩrĩ mwarimu wa gĩthũngũ etie mabuku akamake na wa gĩthweri nĩ etie.
They throw you off balance.
Nĩ athia oke aria he mwarimu. Excuse me.
Yes, what is it, Jaraba?
This book.
Which one?
The one I give.
What is it?
Is from the other side. Is Kiswahili.
Who told you to do that?
It's not to like.
Why did you do that?
My father say I do like that until he get money.
mwalimu nake agacanuka rimwe situation hiyo ile hana
napelekea Mr. Monywa wa Kiswahili kwanza kabla nimalize hizo kwa marudisha
au waambie babako akununulie kitabu ya subject moja.
Some would be very understanding but there are some who would actually tell you off na muru ndariganagirwo ni ari mutacio mwalimu araire ku understand it is not your fault
ti kwenda gwaku
yes
ni ure kuhana
na ti guturika wewe yu atiriri get creative mabuku ni mariku
mabuku ni mana murendo mabuku manana mabuku no monekire mana
you see Tene ni mari family nene wakora mweci ana ithathatu and 5 out of school going age
yes
riu thoguo agura indo in bulk agoka prioritize mukero vanga iraini
ifuku
acokera ifuku
na ngoro we rwa grade
yes
we na udigire ukehera
makinya mere ukero ethoka
we amba wehera ikarathi
ifuku book aya turamu 1 2 cokiai twenyure
eka hiyo
ka o mundu
kenyu gake
arungo no it is the appropriate one ni andu bagwikire kiyo kiu
in the streets
no that is the appropriate one so you would receive your 4 books na onetho guo ni inamia gija kata thikare kurite ke
mabuku mothe
yes
na ni ninokia
ukagari ni subject ibu wanja riu jeke atia
no ngahari ibuku ndatigia
mukwamba muthire mariku
macio
so you had to get creative
yes
omenye what will start where and when they come together how you will handle the teachers yes and here we are yes
na riu andu acio nio mena iturwa cia wathani guku
wega bio mena masekretari maramandikira na mapie yes with a lot of material yes yathura o twarithania subject itaratwarana tau ithungu ndungiatwarithanirie na kindu ta science
asa
yes
ni ukona you use your cogosity
yes ano igwa mwalimu why you writing from the back this side is music what do you mean that side is music the front is art and craft and this is music so they sort siadamane
and they passed
and they have wonderful paying jobs and businesses oh yes jambani na ya iwande kaja
nyakago eba ikomire mwe tigetie ndagika igiri